I get asked a lot, what is the number one thing? What is the one thing that you can do right now to grow your business? Well, look, the reality is there's not one thing that you could do. I mean, there's no magic button, there's no pill you can swallow, there's no handshake. The reality is if you want to grow your business, you've got to grow it from all sides and all angles. However, I will say, if you are starting a business and you are trying to figure out where to put your time, where to put your energy, where to put your effort, you have to learn how to monetize your business. Now, monetization, what is that? That is sales and marketing. Money will fix a lot of short-term challenges. It won't fix all your challenges. But as you start getting better and as you start learning how to monetize your business and getting these customers, the right customers, to buy from you over and over again, well, now you start getting a system and you're able to actually hire employees. You're able to buy technology. You're able to do a lot of things that you couldn't do if you don't have money. And if you don't focus on setting up your business model to make sure that you have inbound marketing coming all the time, the reality is you're probably going out of business. You just don't realize it yet until maybe your bank account says zero. You have to learn that the key to growing your company has to be monetization. Now, once you get a company and it gets up and running, now you've got to learn how to have systems, administration, creating an organization chart, creating the roles, the duties, the processes, the procedures. You've got to do all those things after you've got enough money to keep your doors open. Because some people, they create all the stuff. They create the great widget, gadget, idea. All these processes and procedures, all these things. They have the perfect system, but nobody knows who they are. They don't even know that they exist out there in the internet, in the marketing world. So they end up going out of business with a great idea. They say business cemeteries are full of people who have great ideas because they didn't understand the key to being successful is marketing. Look, at the end of the day, the one business that we are all in as business owners is we are all in the sales and marketing business. We have to become masters at selling and marketing what it is we do so that we can capitalize on that. You've got to understand that sales and marketing is essential for monetization. Then, like I said, then you have systems, you have the admin, which is the org chart, processes, procedures, and then scaling to be able to duplicate your business into different markets and different venues. But if you are not focused on monetizing, and the reality is sometimes we spend money on the wrong things. We spend it on the wrong people, right? So when you are looking at spending your money in marketing, some people think getting a billboard, maybe putting on the radio. I don't know. The question is where does your target client hang out? And more importantly, where does your ideal client hang out? Where are they? Are they on LinkedIn? Are they on Facebook? Are they driving on the freeway? Where are they? And what is their challenge that your business solves? So you've got to make sure you always have to have a challenge and solution in order to do business. They have the challenge, which means you get this, you have the solution, or you should. When you do that, you solve the problem. Making sure that you are solving the right target client's problem with your solution is important because you don't want to solve the problem for a client that you don't want to do business with. That makes no sense. So you always got to make sure that you're targeting the right client, you're monetizing the most, then you get them to buy over and over and over from you. And what's the key? Getting them to refer people to you. When you get referral business, right? Each person is equal to 5.7 referrals. I've said this in other videos. You've got to get them to refer people to you. Once they start referring people to you, now you have the good clients, the ones you want, that are paying the most money, buying from you over and over, and then they're bringing in their friends. So that is how you monetize your business, which, going back to my first question, what's the number one thing you can do? Learn how to monetize. That is key. And if you learn how to monetize, you will be successful.